So the Crest deal, they are on, or they're not on sale, but it's $3.79. You get 5,000 points when you buy 2, but there's actually some digital coupons if you guys have it. We have a 2 off of 1, a 3 off of 2, and a 5 off of 3. So what you guys can do is you can do, there's 2 different scenarios depending on what you have clipped to your card. So you can buy 2 of them and use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4.58, but then you guys get 5,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be a 42-cent money maker. Now this is a deal where you guys can also pay with points. There's also another scenario where you want to buy 4 of these. You want to use the $2 off digital coupon and the 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $8.16, but then you get 5,000 points times 2. Comes out to be a $1.84 moneymaker. So definitely go ahead and do that deal. So the Nexus deal is not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need to get some stuff, they hardly have anything in stock, but we're going to do the hairsprays. So they're $14.99. You want to buy 2 of them. I currently have a $6 off digital coupon and a $5 off digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $18.98, but then you get 10,000 points. You do not want to pay with points. Comes out to be $8.98 or just $4.49 a piece. It's up to you if you need to do that deal. I think CVS has a way better deal, but just wanted to share with you guys on that. But yeah, my store is pretty low. Markers are on sale for 99 cents for just this one. All the rest of them are a little bit higher. They also have glue for 69 cents or the Walgreens brand for 49 cents. And then they also have the glue sticks for 69 cents also. For school supplies, we got erasers for 49 cents, the big erasers for 49 cents, and the pencil sharpeners for 49 cents. We also have index cards and the big index cards for 49 cents also. The Purex is on sale for 3 for $6. You guys can mix and match. It comes out to be $2 a piece. We did get some of us did get some coupons in the inserts, and there's no printable coupons. So if you guys still need this stuff, I think $2 is an okay deal. On the pods, the liquid, and then we also have the crystals. So the Downy, the Bounce, and I can't remember the other thing. They are currently on sale for $2. Oh, the other Downy. These are currently on sale for $2.99. I didn't see any digital coupons, but you guys would pay $8.97. But then you guys will get you'll get a $3 register reward when you buy 3 of them. So it comes out to be just $5.97 or $1.99 a piece if you guys need to do that. The Ajax, you're not really getting a good deal since it's always $1, but they are currently on sale for 99 cents if you guys need to go ahead and do that. One speed stick is $3.49. My store does not sell the ladies speed stick, which is usually a little bit cheaper, but this is on sale for buy one get one 50% off, and then when you buy 2 of them you get 3,000 points. So basically you guys would pay $5.23. You get 3,000 points. It comes out to be just $2.23 or $1.11 a piece. So the Scott's paper towels are always going to be $5. There is a coupon for $1.25 off in the Walgreens booklet, so you guys would just pay $3.75. You can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get some points. So cereal is $1.99, and we do have a 50-cent off digital coupon. I also had $1 off a 2 insert coupon, but you guys would pay $1.49 after that coupon, and then you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Now they do end in a couple days. When I do scan the Kellogg's, the Rice Krispies ones pops up, which is kind of weird. But there is another rebate where if you buy 5 of them, you can get a $2 bonus. So it depends on what you get, because you get 40 cents, you get 40 cents, you get 45 cents. So it just depends on what you want, but just do $1.49. Depends on what you guys need. And you guys can submit your receipt to the books. I've already maxed my books out, so in case you guys need some cereal. The Complete Home or the Nice Bags are on sale for $2.79. Now there's some say that $2.99, but it's $2.79. Buy one, you get 2 free. So you'd pay $2.79. They come out to be just 93 cents a piece if you guys need to get some baggies.